get ready with me. I look so tired. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with putting my LMS primer. Gonna lather it up on my skin. Then I'll put on my lips. I'm a little bit sick, if you didn't already notice. My NYX Rêve de Mille, which is the lip balm. Then I'm gonna have the It Cosmetics CC cream and my Real Techniques blender. Gonna dab 2 pumps on this. Then I'm gonna start putting dotted on my face like this. I was passing through a lot of problems. I'm sorry if I came as a little bit rude to some people or annoying to others because I was like responding badly when someone asked me what was happening. I understand the cost of being on YouTube or having like your life publicly in the eyes of everybody is something that I have to respect if I am doing, but at the same time I didn't want it to overthrow my lifestyle, you know what I mean? And I'm very private, and some things that happen to me, I don't want to feel obliged to share them. You're seeing the result. I'm gonna get my concealer, which is in my highlighting situation. My concealer is the Magic Way liquid concealer by Charlotte Tilbury, and my YSL Touche Eclat in the shade 2 for under my eyes. I'm going to use this to cover blemishes. I really love the consistency of this, although I hate the applicator because it's not hygienic. I'm going to take my Touche Eclat and put it quickly under my eyes. I'll try to quickly show you what I'm wearing today. And just get ready with me, which is nice. A new outfit I bought. Are you like me? Like when you're depressed, you go and purchase something? We're sisters then, if that's the case. You know, currently I'm so proud of my makeup products. Like I bought the products that just does exactly what promises, or gives me at least the effect I expect from makeup, you know? I don't like the feeling of like, oh my god, I have a cakey face, but I want to look flawless, and those give me exactly that. At least like when something, a lot of people with different like skin tones and skin conditions agree on something, know that that's something like on the great section. I'm gonna use this infamous brush and my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural Powder. I love this powder. For some odd reason, it does not have this powdery feeling most powders would have. I would put this like under my eyes, on my smiling lines, because they get weirdly creased all the time, making me look old. Quickly on the bronzer, the Hoola bronzer. What I do is I usually like start with a hollow, then spread it like that, a bit hiding the double chini. I'm so tired. It's very early in the morning. You have no clue how much I've dedicated to you guys if you see me today in the morning. But I said I'm gonna film anyways because I've been bad with filming lately. Blusher. This is by MAC. This is Pinch Me blush. It's a really nice mix between coral and a little bit pink blush. I go overboard with the blush because like the moment I'm out of the house, this is the first thing that disappears from my face. Put a little bit on my nose, a bit on my chin, a little bit on my forehead. I know that sounds crazy, but like it gives you this flushed all together kind of look. The Show Gold Extra Dimension Skin Finish one by MAC. I take my finger, I've always done this, and I put it here, put it there, on the bridge of my nose, and on the top of my cupid bows. I've been applying some eyeshadow lately. I'll take the Naked Palette Petite Heat, and I'll take the Hot Spell color, and I'm going to blend it in my crease like that. Then I'll take like a small detailed brush like this, and I'm going to take the same color, and I'm going to go underneath my eyelash line. I'm going to get the Orange Wild Thing with this tip and apply it to the way inner side, like the inner part, like here. What are you guys watching currently or would recommend me watch on Netflix? I was watching Black Mirror. Oh my god, if you haven't watched Black Mirror before, prepare to be amazed. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my NYX pencil, which is in a shade, it's like eye and eyebrow pencil, medium brown, this one. It's almost done. And I'm going to lightly fill in my brows, very lightly. And I usually like to emphasize the front lines of it very lightly as well. I'll take it also and put it in the inner corner. No, in the outer corner of my eye. Not inner. And that's it. Now I'm going to take Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I'm going to brush my eyebrows quickly. Then I'm currently using the Clinique mascara. It's like high impact mascara. It was a gifted sample, but I'm liking it a lot. So maybe when I'm purchasing it in regular size, I'm gonna get it in brown if it exists in brown. This is the #1 black. I hate the black one because it has like this dramatic effect, and I'm not a huge fan of that. For the lips, I am using Charlotte Tilbury Amazing Grace, and I don't put it like as a full lipstick. I usually like to dab it like that to give me a fleshed lip. Now for setting spray, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus, the new one with like the gold sheer sheen to it. I was going to get the regular one, and then the girl was like, this is limited edition, maybe try it. And it's also extremely hydrating and gives me like a glowy, healthy look. My Clinique bag and air out the situation so that it gets fixed the entire day. I need to go downstairs, get the laundry from the machine because I've left it. I hope the laundry's clean. I'm trying new products with my laundry. Do you guys have any laundry tips? I'm not sucking at it, but like I kind of feel that I need an upgrade in learning. I separate, which is something. I spot treat before washing, which is something. I put them in laundry bags so that the machine does not damage my clothes, which is another thing. I use like detergent and a softener, but there's something I feel I'm missing, like something about having like the best laundry coming out of my machine. This is my makeup look. I think it wasn't very shown, but that's my everyday makeup if you're wondering. And for my outfit, I'm wearing my Gucci thingy, like belt. This is a shirt from Uniqlo. Their shirts are beautiful quality. This is also a knit dress from Uniqlo. I'm not sure if I can show you more. I'm wearing also their socks so that they show from my shoes. I look so high school kind of a vibe, but I'm loving this vibe if you are wondering.